Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a new Folio board file in Photoshop. So that's going to be really easy. The first, I'm going to share my Photoshop window here. And as you can see here, just new file button here. Just click to make a new file or just top menu file and just new. Either way is okay. Just new file here. And then as you can see, some like units here, and this orientation should be portrait. Pixel should be centimeters, and width is 61, and height is 82. That's really big size. And just pointed out here as a pixel per inch. Don't select pixel per centimeter. Okay. And then 300 resolution. And you don't need to change any of numbers. Okay. And just create. Now you've got a new file, new folder board file here in Photoshop. Now you're ready to start composing your work on the board. Thank you.